buses or aeroplanes. If you needed to travel overland, you'd have to take the train. An amazing innovation, engineering for the time. 1,000 men, they use their hands to build the train line. Whoa, whoa, steam train, hop on board and you'll see. Oh, steam train, adventure waits for me. Oh, steam train, over mountains and down. Oh, steam train, hear that steam train popping sound. Well, the fireys work for hours on end to keep that engine stoked, shoveling coal into the fire in the heat and stifling smoke. Well, the fire, it heats the water, building steam, it starts off slow. Round and round and round the wheels they turn, then blow that whistle blow.